morning, Sergio Maria Capanelli from CAREL. We are in Milan at Mostra Convegno, and we are showing here our panel regarding residential and commercial solutions for heat pump and chiller. As in this panel, we present our latest solution in terms of high efficiency for heat pump and chiller. For all our products, also here we have great focus and great support regarding new technologies and new refrigerants that are available on the market. Especially in the residential market for the heat pump, the propane seems to be the coolest proposed in the heating world that is coming on. Low GWP, high availability, and all our components, starting from the compressor, then going to the inverter, valves, and pressure transducer, are going to support in a full way this kind of refrigerant to get your heat pump in the future.